Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you whether you can change your clan name in Clash Royale in 2025. Let's get started. So here's the truth. You cannot change your clan name once it's created. Not even if you're the leader, co-leader, or you contact the support system of Supercell. The clan name are permanently locked. But if you want to check it yourself, here's how. You can tap your clan and tap the clan badge or settings icon in the top right and try tapping the clan name. And you'll see that it's not editable. So, how do you get a new clan name? The only way is to create a brand new clan with the name you want. But keep in mind that you'll lose your clan level, you'll need to rebuild the trophies, and your members must join again. The only thing it you can change anytime is your clan badge. So at least you can still update your clan's look. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.